All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. I got a quick sale video for you. This is a consignment item for our consignment program. This is the Canon AE-1 35mm reflex camera. It is in pretty clean condition. This is not gonna break the bank. If you want to start and get into film photography, this is something very, very affordable. It is perfectly working. It has shutter speed going from 1,000 of a second and down to 2 seconds. Check this out. Pretty accurate, right? And that's the 1/8 of a second. It comes with a 50mm f1.8 with a 55mm Vivitar filter UV haze. It has a 135 3.5, also Canon lens FD. Both are manual focus, obviously. FD lenses, smooth focus. Nothing is rattling. Aperture is snappy. The lens is clean, there's no haze, no fungus. It comes with one rear cap and two front caps. Of course, the original manual for the instructions. And look at this, check this out. This is a genuine and original brochure from the time. Check this out. It is a beauty. So it's a very good opportunity if you are starting to, your adventure in the 35mm film photography. This is the perfect opportunity that it's not gonna break the bank and you're gonna acquire something iconic, really well designed, sturdy, that it's gonna stand the test of time. So check this out. This is on FabsInTheWild.com. Check out the shop section that's available, and it's free shipping and the prices are in Canadian dollars. So if you're from US, this is your chance. Oh, by the way, this also comes with this original rigid case for the 135mm. Check this out. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.